Hello, welcome to this beautiful home in Prosper. This home is in Prosper ISD, an exemplary school district, and it is 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4,700 square feet, and over half an acre, 0.3 of an acre to be exact, outside. So I want to show you something that is so special about this home. It is actually a custom build by Hewitt Homes, and it's in an amazing neighborhood. But the thing that I'm super excited to show you is that there is a downstairs suite with a private entrance in this home. As we walk through the home, you're going to see how beautiful this home is. So right over here we have the formal dining room. You can entertain here. And then right over here we have the study or the 6th bedroom. So there is a closet in there, and there are plantation shutters all throughout the home. So let's take a look over here. You're gonna see the kitchen, perfect for entertaining, with their custom fridge that comes with the home. And there's a mud room. There is a 3-car garage and tandem garage, but this is the part of the home that is so unique to some families that would like to have an extra space that's separated from the rest of the family. So right through here is a doorway, and you have a full apartment if that's what you would like back here, or you can use your house however you would like. But here's a full bathroom with a private entrance that goes to the backyard. And right here we have a full bedroom with a closet. We have a hall closet over here, and right here, this is actually a media room. However, it can also be used as the sitting room for this extra space in the house. So I have so many clients all the time that want to have an extra space for other family or guests that want to live in the home, and this is just an amazing area for that. So as we go through here, let me show you the master bedroom. And right here we have the huge master suite. As you can see, there's some amazing details created by their custom Hewitt builder, or by their custom builder, Hewitt Builders. So we'll take a quick look outside so you can see how large the backyard is. Really nice for entertaining. And it's just a big backyard, over a 1/4 acre. So this 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house, again, is 4,700 square feet, custom built by Hewitt Builders. Every detail was placed in this home perfectly for the clients, and it was built in 2018. It is a 4,700 square foot home, and it is 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.